I made it long.
You gotta make it longer for the marshmallow so that it can reach the fire.
That's how it reaches the fire?
Yeah, I'll help you, okay?
Not too close, okay?
Good morning, children. Donna, what are you guys eating? You're eating stuffed pancakes. Can you get to the peanut butter and jam yet?
Yeah. Big jam.
Mmm, yummy.
La, 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 la. Wow.
Like camping, sweetie?
Oh, I got fire.
Oh, you got fire on your stick. All right, don't flare around. Oh, no, no, no.
Don't do that because it'll break off.
And we got Potty station here. And we'll just move this into the big tent at night. And this is their play area.
I made a chair.
You made a chair? Oh, you did make a chair. This is just a beach tent.
How we make it? Down.
The ponies again. And the llama. Oh, I know, the buck-bucks. Scared, buddy? These guys. Hi, little guy. He's scared. Not quite liking all the animals, huh? Hello, puppers. The big farm dog.
Move your puzzle over, okay? He's lying down.
Yeah, you can look out.
Yeah, there's a llama there, huh?
He wants this. There's the llama.
What's out there? You say llama? You say llama?
I put my money in here.
Hello. Like you did last time?
Is it? Oh. Eat it? Aww.
There's our campsite. And then we got our tent, our car, and we have a beach tent for playing. We had to move it around for the shadow. And the herd of goats are coming to visit us. Hello. There's 10 baby goats, and I don't know how many adult goats. All right, let's go back. I picked out farm camping. Picked out farm camping for you, my love. The goats roam free here because they're cleaning up the brush. See all that stuff in the back behind us? Uh-oh, uh-oh. Uh-oh, the baby found something. Okay, good.
And there's our tent and our table. There's our fire pit. The fire's not going right now because it's really hot. And the goats.
Oh, no! Oh!
What happened? What happened?
It's gonna eat some chips now. Do their legs on the beach? Yeah, here we go. The version of out. Jeez.
Who was doing?
It's nibbling. Don't nibble on me. Go, 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 go. No, 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 no nibble.
Don't go away.
Shh.
Not funny.
No nibble wibbles.
What are you doing?
Baby's sleeping in here. Since the baby goats are all gone, then you can start eating. You have a green goddess salad, vegan corn dog, and corn. So much corn. You poo-pooed in your pants, but we didn't pay attention to you. I think you were trying to tell us. Yeah, over there. You did. It's all right.
Maya, look at Grandma. Maya, is that a goat? Maya.
Hi, Goaty. I think this is the one that likes pets. Hi, babies. Hi, kitty.
Babe, it's not.
Yeah, go tell your friends. Go show off your mohawk. I didn't realize I was actually crunching the thigh for her.
You want to touch it again? Go for it. There. Yeah. Oh, I know. We're saying bye-bye again, huh? Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
All right.
Mom.
These are a good buy. You just got these, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, much better than the other ones we had. You okay? Tired of him? It's a nice fire, Matt. Hi, buddy. Hi. Are you gonna help Daddy? Goodbye, campsite. All right, fire's gone. I'll take the trash in the front with me. This one. I don't know if the females do gobble gobble.
They don't do
I think it was something we have to look it up.
Hi. It was you. And maybe one melting. Mommy.
Yeah, it's the mommy.
Hey, the mommy goat.
The mommy goats won't nibble on you. Good, Phil. You're back.